Lost a couple of my niggas, this shit don't even feel right. Until you lose your right hand, you don't know what that feel like. Nope. You don't know what this pain is, some shit that you ain't been through. Nope. You ain't ever been down on your last when the rent due. You ain't never been down on your knuckles trying to get up. You don't know how I feel when your main man switch up. You ain't never had one of your rounds go and get lit up. Cause if you did, you the type of nigga that'll give up. But fuck it, I'm out here, I'ma take my lick. I'm the type to pull up, hop out, take your shit. I'm the type to run in your crib, duct tape your mama. Shit can get real, let a nigga know we were drama. You get killed in that field, boy, if you ain't bout it. You ain't never put in work, bitch, cause you ain't bout it, nigga. So listen up, stack your bread and try to get up and stay out the way. Fuck around, get one of your niggas touch. All the money in the world, nigga, I never change. All I want is money, nigga, you can keep the fame. Niggas switching sides just to try to get a name. Got a couple niggas gone, shit'll never be the same. Got some niggas in the pen, tell them let them out the gates. I'm trying to walk light, cause you know these niggas hate. Keep a mag on my hip, cause I know these niggas laying on me, standing like a man. And my mama say she praying, but the devil on my back. And my mama say she praying for me. Keep a mag with me, cause I know them niggas laying on me. Hustle too hard for a nigga try to take mines or go to the yard. Before I let a nigga take mine, shit real. Niggas out here hungry where I'm from. If you ain't paying attention, niggas will dome you where I'm from. You say your name poppin', niggas don't know you where I'm from. I know some real killers, bitches, soldiers where I'm from. My uncle did 27 years up in that bitch. And you the type that couldn't do a year up in that bitch. Boy, you better stop playing and just be yourself. Wish you had my eyes so you can see yourself. Nigga, we bleed down streets with them choppers and shit. Hooks get behind us, we ain't stopping for shit. I'm just trying to walk life, but don't take shit there. Find where your bitch stay and we'll spray shit there, nigga. Money in the world, nigga, I never change. All I want is money, nigga, you can keep the fame. Niggas switching sides just to try to get a name. Got a couple niggas gone, shit'll never be the same. Got some niggas in the pen, tell them let them out the gates. I'm trying to walk light, cause you know these niggas hate. Keep a mag on my hip, cause I know these niggas laying on me, standing like a man. And my mama said she praying. Yeah.
Okay,
N.I.L. We back at this shit like we never left, nigga. Enough said, nigga, I don't really speak too much. I ain't gotta talk. Shout out to all my sides, my Compton niggas. Yeah, what up? My across the Ave niggas. What up? My East niggas. What up? And fuck the other side, nigga, for real. We got sacks and straps, nigga, come and get you some. Bow. Mookie Dollars, what it do, nigga? What up, nigga? Murder Mook, what's up, nigga? You know we in traffic, baby. What it do? Beat the Corleone, we at it, my baby. Yeah. K-Money, good looking. Face what's poppin', my dog. Shout out to LOM. Shout out the whole hood, nigga. Yeah. R.I.P. my nigga Mad Max, nigga. R.I.P. my nigga C Flame. Free my nigga Moore. Free my nigga Bear. Free my nigga Mr. Rain. Enough said, Vol1, I'm out this bitch. Let's get it.